My name is Krimsey, and I'm the founder and owner of Krimsey's Cajun Kitchen. Well, I've always loved animals, and at some point I accidentally saw a factory farm video and it kind of destroyed my world, and quickly thereafter I decided I couldn't eat meat or animal products anymore. So we're actually the world's first Cajun vegan restaurant with a fully Cajun vegan menu. It's really cool. We focus on using plant-based whole foods as opposed to a lot of faux meat stuff. Like our okra gumbo is centered around okra, and one of our most popular dishes is actually New Orleans po' boy, which is heart of palm in our homemade batter fried up. So it's a product that's not faux anything, it's just like whole foods. The inspiration came from my upbringing. I was born and raised in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and when I went vegan, I was in college, didn't know a single vegan, just sort of like, how do I do this? I guess I eat baked potatoes out of the microwave, I don't know. So I had this crazy idea in the back of my head that one day I would open a Cajun vegan restaurant, because there were none. You know, people weren't really making vegan gumbo, vegan jambalaya. Most of our recipes are just new twists on really classic Cajun dishes, like the po' boy. Everybody knows the po' boy, jambalaya, hush puppies, beignets. When I was making the recipes, I tried to stay true to the base flavor and enhance or change where necessary, but pretty much all of our recipes come from some very deep-rooted Southern tradition.